So in this video, let me show you how to do that moving text effect on DaVinci Resolve. So let's dive straight in. So this effect is actually very simple. I have a footage here. So first what I'll do is come to effects under effects and bring in an adjustment clip and just place it here like so. And then select the adjustment clip, right click, open in Fusion page. Under Fusion, let me just move this here. Bring in a text plus node and just join it like this. And in the text, you can type something like a tiny mic. And I'm going to change the font to Inter black. And I'm going to reduce the tracking to a little bit. Something like that. And you can play with other settings if you want, but I'm going to leave it here. Then you come to layout and you can see under type, it is set to point. Change this to path. Once you select path, you can draw a point around your object. So I'm going to select this frame somewhere in the end, and I'm going to mark a path like this. It need not be perfect, you can adjust it later. So I'm going to make a path something like this. So once you have your rough path, select this mouse arrow right here and select the points you want to smoothen and press on this one. So I'm going to smoothen all these areas, or what you can do is you can select all points and just make it smooth like so. And now once you play with the path, it will move along the path like so. So you can do a keyframing. So what I did here is at this point, I marked a keyframe, and then let's go back a bit and I marked a keyframe here. Come to the second keyframe and I'm going to move it like this. So you have something like this. You can still adjust it, it's coming here. So what you can do is you can play with the center, X and Y, and you can even play with the path right here. So you have something like this. Now the motion is very rough, so what you do is you come to spline, select the position on path and press on this one, Control A, and you can right click, ease and out cubic. So what happens is it slows down in the middle and then it speeds up in the start and in the end. So you can do all sort of stuff here. So what I did in this, as you can see, is let me show you the clip here. Then I did another text with the same effect. So I will show you that in Fusion. I did the same motion, but my path is like a square. And I also marked a keyframe on the opacity shading so that it's not visible in this frame. And in the next frame, I enable the opacity so that it will become visible, and then the motion is the same that I showed you. I hope you guys learned something from this video. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all as always in the next one.